Okay, hi everybody. We're working through the diploma prep material. This is the chapter on exponents and logarithms. Taking a look at a word problem here, an exponential word problem. The population of rabbits in a park is increasing at 70% every 6 months. Presently, there are 200 rabbits in the park. How many rabbits will there be at the end of 15 months? Okay, so we're going to use, obviously, this model right here to the t over p. We're actually looking for the final number of rabbits here. So we're looking for y. We know that we're starting with 200. The growth factor here, it's increasing by 70% every 6 months. So it's increasing by 70%. So we have 100% of the original population plus an additional 70% here. Okay, if you put just 0.7 here, then what you're saying is 30% of them are dying off. You got to understand that it's increasing. So this number here has to be larger than 100% by 70%. Now up in the exponent here, this is going to be, the period of growth is 6 months, and the number of months that have actually passed, given in the question here, is 15 months. That's how you got to answer this question here. Now, again, the real issue with this problem is understanding that the base of that growth factor has to be 1.7. Now, another interesting thing that pops out of this question is that when you enter this into your calculator, you're going to get 753.6, well, 619, it goes on and on like that. So what's the answer? Is it 753? Because I don't know how to think of this, like this 0.6 rabbit, what does that mean? Or do you round that to the nearest whole? Well, it turns out, and I had a debate with somebody on this, somebody from Alberta Learning, but that person won, I lost. Turns out, either one of those is an acceptable answer for that question. So you could round that up if you wanted, or you could round that down. Now, normally what's going to happen is the way these questions will be asked on the diploma, the answer that they're looking for will simply be the natural way that would round. So I would assume that in this case here that they are looking for 754. But really, either one of those answers is acceptable.